Hello friends, are you Udemy instructor or you are looking for some good courses on Udemy or you want to sell your courses on Udemy? I am Dr. Vijesh Jain and I am going to share with you the latest course which has entered into the bestseller category on Udemy, and I will talk about this course. I will talk about the similar courses on Udemy I have, and I will also talk to you about the students base which I have been able to develop on these courses, and the secrets of getting bestseller tag on Udemy. So friends, let us look at my portfolio of courses as an instructor on Udemy. Friends, I have got almost now 94,200 students with 818 reviews from the students. So, friends, the reviews are very important for getting the bestseller tag for your courses. And I have got 15 courses on Udemy in last 10 months. I have been active on Udemy platform. And in these 10 months, two times my one of my course has entered the bestseller category, as you can see here. So this is the course: all exports, imports, documentation and procedure, any country of origin. It has got a rating of 4.2 and total number of ratings are 90. The duration of the course is 7 hours, which has got 106 lectures, and it has got the tag which is called the bestseller tag. And presently it is available at a very deep discount. For Indian students, it is available for just 385 rupees. So, friends, out of these 15 courses, this is the course which had been very attractive to the students from the very beginning. And very recently, second time, it has got the bestseller tag. So, friends, the things which has to be understood about getting the bestseller tag is that, first of all, your rating of the course should be at least 4.2. This is my own experience. If your rating is less than 4.2, the chances of getting bestseller tag is very difficult. So I am expecting my rating to go up in couple of days now, because I have recently got some very good reviews from some of the students, and they are going to be reflected in this course. So I am expecting this rating to go to 4.3 or 4.4 in next couple of days. And the moment you get this rating and the certain threshold of selling has been crossed, the algorithm of Udemy gives this tag. It's an automatic tag which is given by the algorithm. So there is no manual review of the courses. Basically, it is purely based on the selling numbers and the selling revenue. So the advantage of getting the bestseller tag of any course is that once you get a bestseller tag in one of the courses, the revenue of the other courses also increase exponentially along with the bestseller course, the revenue of which automatically increase many folds. So you get more selling, so chances of retaining this tag increases further until your rating comes below 4.2. So that's a little thing which you have to take care of, that you should be updating your course constantly to make sure that the students are happy, keep them engaged, answer their queries constantly, and you will make sure that your rating do not go below 4.2. And of course, I have other courses with not so good rating also. So the number of reviews are low, but with the time, when the number of reviews are more, I think I'm expecting better review and better rating. But my many other courses has rating like 4.2, 4.3, 4.3, 4.5, as you can see here. And so most of my courses have ratings above 4, and one of my course has got another tag which is called the highest rated tag. So this is This course has got a rating of 4.5. So any course with 4.5 rating and a certain number of reviews automatically get this tag, which is also a little difficult to get. So two of my courses out of 15 has got UDEMY tags, and that's a very good situation. And as soon as you get these kind of tags, your revenue goes up, the number of enrollments also go up. So my enrollments, total enrollments of the courses have already crossed 200,000 today, with 94,500 students from 184 countries. So as you can see here, that that also matters, that your number of students are high to a particular course. That also helps you to get the tag for the course. So friends, in this video I just wanted to share with you the achievement which I have been able to get on this course, and how to get these tags require you certain very important things which you have to do. First of all is to focus on the content, the quality of content, and very, very important is the title of the course. So if you focus on the title of the course, you have to constantly keep on making some modification in the title to make sure that what title sells in the market. Because the first thing a student sees is the title, and that is the biggest selling point. If your title is correct, if the words which you have used are correct, and they are search engine optimization friendly words, your chances of getting the bestseller tag is very, very high. And of course, you have to keep the students engaged in the course. You have to answer all their queries. You have to keep watch of any questions which are being raised by the students. Look at their assignments, check their assignments, keep everything in order without any delays, and use the communication tools provided by UDEMY, like education announcements, promotional announcements, and with all these tools and techniques, you have to maintain the constant flow of the students enrolling to your course in order to get the bestseller tag of the course. So friends, best wishes from my side for your next course, and I hope you liked the contents of this video and the things which I have shared with you. And if you like this, please subscribe to my channel for similar such videos which I am going to bring in future on this channel, BJ Exports Mastery channel. And share this video, comment on this video, and if you have still not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it. So friends, I end my video here with thanks with a short promo video of the bestseller course. Hello friends, welcome to this VJ Exports Mastery series course, all exports documentation and procedure, any country of origin. Friends, I am Dr. Vijesh Jain, having more than 30 years of practical academic and research experience in the area of export shipment, export documentation procedures, international supply chain management, logistics management, and overall international trade operations, having worked with top global companies, dealt with more than 28 countries, hundreds of overseas buyers. Friends, this course comprises of the super simple steps and very simple approach to make you learn all about the export documentation and procedure, and what are the role of these documents and how letter of credit works. So this course will make you very, very confident in carrying out these smooth export shipments and to speed up the overall delivery of the goods and the receipt of international payments. So friends, anybody having a little knowledge of the business and management can join this course even without the prior knowledge of the export operations. So friends, what are you waiting for? Please join this course. Thank you very much.